Hey, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind your popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I've got a brilliant one for you. You all love it when I cook frozen giant Yorkshire puddings in the air fryer, but what about filling one with cauliflower cheese? Now that is an idea. I'm hungry just thinking about that. So shall we get started? So what I have got is I've got some cauliflower cheese leftovers that I've already warmed through, and I've got a giant Yorkshire. So I'm talking these giant ones. And if you haven't gathered from the accent, yes, we live in Yorkshire. People ask me that all the time. Are you from Lincolnshire or are you from Lancashire or is it Yorkshire? Those are the three that they think we're from. Anyway, giant Yorkshire pudding, frozen, air fryer. 2 minutes at 180 and then press start. I am Sam, and the thing I created for you that I'm the most proud of is our air fryer cooking guide. I had a gut feeling that as an air fryer user myself, this is what we all need the most. A time and temp chart that has almost 300 everyday foods in it with tried and tested times and temperatures, all of which are for the most popular foods ever. I let Sophia loose with a copy so she can show you just how amazing it is. From its beautiful design to the amazing pages that are loaded with all your favourite time and temps by food category. But the best bit is the magnetic strip that lets it sit so perfectly on your fridge. Simply search Air Fryer Sam and Dom on Amazon or go to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/books to grab yourself a copy. And we've beeped. So that's your Yorkie with a bit of colour to it. It's starting to crisp up at the sides, which is perfect for the job. And then this is some cauliflower cheese that I made earlier. This is a frozen cauliflower cheese. So I'll be sharing that on video as well. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. And then what you want to do is you want to grab some of your cauliflower cheese and load it in. Actually, I'm not going to bother with this spoon. I need a bigger one. I've got a bigger one there, so then you just want to load it in. I've used here one full bag of frozen cauliflower cheese because I thought this would be absolutely perfect. And then you can load it as full as you like. So then I'm going to add in some extra grated cheese on top, so you can do cauliflower cheese and then you can do some grated cheese on top, and it'll just make it so lovely and yummy. And like I said, you can use homemade cauliflower cheese as well. I just wanted to give you an example of something great that you can do over Christmas. So there you go, that is ready to go back on. So pop it on, 2 minutes at 180. So remember, I've just cooked this cauliflower cheese and warmed it through. Make sure your cauliflower cheese is warmed up before you add it to the Yorkshire pudding, otherwise it's not going to be piping hot. But we do it like that because otherwise the Yorkshire pudding will end up overcooked. And then of course, if you prefer, you can do the same thing with a vegetable bake, a broccoli and cauliflower, whatever you like, you can load into your Yorkshire puddings. So we'll be back in 2. And we've beeped. So should we check on our cauliflower cheese? So let's check it out. Oh yes, look at that. Oh, perfect melted cheese on top as well. I think that looks fabulous. I can't wait to tuck into this. So of course, wait till it's cooled down a bit, or you can use a spatula to get in now. So if you're using a spatula under your Yorkie like that, oh yes, look at that. Doesn't that look fabulous? Am I that daring? Doesn't that look brilliant? So that is cauliflower cheese Yorkie. I mean, who would have thought about that, hey? Cauliflower cheese is one of my favourites. Yorkshire pudding is one of my favourites. So why not bring it together as a good way to use up your leftovers? Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week, and we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.